Good morning. Well, today I reward myself with a little bit of laziness. Do you think laziness is reward? I think so because yesterday I was on a course, a continuation course, because after the course that I attended, I need to refresh and then reflect and then act. Especially when I'm doing coaching, I need to really be very clear about how I'm going to be able to help someone who have no idea what they are going through. To tell you the truth, that was me before. That's why I know how to tackle it now. And I wish that I have known coaching for, at least 30 years ago. But I guess the Creator created something for you always. It is in my culture to believe that 3% is heavenly creation. 7% is your ability to react. So in Hokkein we say 3分天注定，7分靠画饼. Right. So if you work on your 7% of hard work and also realization and also keep improving yourself, then the 3% is not going to be any kind of harmful elements to you. In fact, it will increase your ability to achieve your goals and your visions. So how do you achieve that? Now you have to think about what you want to do. If you follow me on my Facebook, you will understand that all this time I'm talking about self-actualization, I'm talking about coaching, and I'm talking about loving yourself. But which one must come first? Let's be realistic. Okay? Many will think that this coaching is going to cost them a lot of money. You could be right if you are under the corporate banner, because there are certain needs that a coach have to do. But if you are doing it from the personal point of view, you can find people like me who is willing to coach you for your worth, as long as you are committed with a very minimal sum. But what stops you? The fear that the fees is going to be too much for you, or the fear of facing yourself? Think about it. If you are fearing about the fees, then you have nothing to fear about when you are dealing with me. But if you are fearing about facing yourself and seeing the truth, then this is one very important thing that you must do before you seek a coach who can help you to actualize your dreams. Think about it, because it is worth more than anything in the world. Good luck.